All
Save
right,
my fish.
Dave, on your cue, we'll be ready, and I'll count down from 3.
Alright, I'm ready, Freddy Spaghetti.
All right,
Actually.
3, 2. Whoa, it's 3 laps, by the way. 3,
Oh.
2, 1, go!
Oh fuck.
Saw that, Dave.
Well, Norman freaking blue balled me.
I did
Like,
blue ball. I'm
what
so
did I
sorry.
do?
I'm so sorry. I'm so.
Like,
I was not paying
Oh,
attention.
I already.
Oh, no.
Riv, you fucked me up!
Oh my god.
River, you
Connor.
fucked me up. That was
Hunter.
your fucking fault. Oh my god, Connor, you did the thing to me.
Hey, get out of the fucking way!
bro, Caston was in my way, you fucking.
Fuck you!
Oh, I'm ricocheting off walls now. It's
Oh,
over.
no, no,
Thanks,
no, no,
man.
no, no.
It's
Oh,
little Ooh. worse.
Tom just
What
went
up?
up 2
Okay.
spots.
Oh shit. I don't know. Annoying.
Oh, my boat was just on top of me.
Damn, ouch.
Connor, that was slick. That was slick, my guy. I saw that.
Thank you, sir.
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da.
Oh my god, Dave.
Watch out for the banana field.
Oh! Oh!
First lap.
Oh! I'm sliding right in your
Son
mama.
of a
Whoa,
bitch.
hell yeah.
I'm
Oh.
stuck.
First lap.
First lap.
Oh! We're doing 3 laps?
Yes, I just did my first lap.
First lap.
What do you guys think of the course?
Great.
That's really good, bro.
First lap.
Whoever built it was probably bald.
Yeah, almost certainly bald. I think it's
First lap.
probably.
Yeah, you guys are welcome.
Thanks, Dave. Everything you've done.
Oh, fucking no,
Hey,
the
bro,
obstacle.
thank you.
Let's go! Move over, Tom!
No.
Oh,
Why
you
is
did
there
the
a flag
fucking
in the
thing to
way,
me.
Tom? Why'd you put your
It
flag
was an
down?
accident.
No way. Did you? Is it an obstacle?
Second lap.
It's
Yeah. it is a significant obstacle.
what the
Second
Yeah,
lap. I just hit my second
nice.
lap. Tom and I both hit our second lap. Where's the flag at?
It's
God damn it.
And
Oh,
an
yeah,
ice
ice
wall.
wall.
Oh!
Yeah.
Just hit my
second
second.
lap.
Second lap.
Move, Tom!
Last
Get out of my
lap.
fucking
I'm
way!
doing Michelle.
No, not last lap.
You-
You're drifting, Norman.
I'm behind Connor.
No.
Oh, I'm gonna lap somebody. Oh my god, I'm pulling up to lap over somebody, whoever you are.
Oh
back
my
there.
god.
It's probably me.
Curtis, yeah, it's you. I'm about to lap you, homie.
Attaboy.
Oh, fuck, Michelle, no!
Second lap.
Third lap, baby. I win.
Well,
Let's
what, you have to
go.
complete the
I'm right
third
behind
lap.
you, man.
Oh, do I have to
Yeah,
do?
that's always yes.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I
Yeah,
gotta turn it around.
That's definitely what makes it 3.
All right, get right above the finish
getting,
line now.
I'm getting destroyed.
This sounds like Dora music. Hola, soy Dora.
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 Oh, this is for Eitville.
What's up, Kurt?
I'm at my 3rd lap.
Third
I
lap.
just left
Curtis,
Curtis
you
and
fucked
Hunter.
me up, bro.
Lord of God. Oh,
Fuck, Dave!
I'm literally
Damn it.
hitting every
Bro,
single
I
ice
fucked up too. Don't
obstacle.
worry, you're good. Oh my god, I can't
I'm not in
control.
last place. Let's go. Woman moment.
No, you're definitely not in last place, Michelle. I'm still
No,
needing to get to my
My
third lap.
Curtis.
Hunter
can
has
do
the
it.
woman brain cell right now.
All right, I finished my third lap, ladies and
Wow,
gentlemen.
River won.
Well, River is
And
not
in
really
second
fair, 'cause
place
you have to ask
God.
me.
Is
I
none
am
other
so
than the
far
king
away
of
from the
Casno.
Hey.
King of Sheepo. Excuse me.
Third lap. Oh, you bastard.
Good job, River.
I'm almost done.
Oh,
Okay, I've also.
I'm
Right.
struggling.
Team
I'm
Ass
really
in
struggling.
third place.
Here I come. I have a bomb.
Good
And
work.
here comes Eitville.
Whoa!
What's that? Fifth? Fourth?
It was me.
You are.
I think you're fourth.
Fifth,
Wait,
yeah.
are you fourth, Miguel? Did you get?
I finished first.
Okay, so Miguel and then yeah, and
No,
then
River
Dave.
definitely finished first.
Yeah,
River
it's,
for
it's
sure,
River,
for sure.
then me,
Literally-
then Tom, then
Actually,
Miguel, then you.
Women can't finish.
Okay, so I'm fifth. Okay, I was on the leaderboard. We got some points.
Good
Damn, I
work.
did not do well there.
I'm coming up. I'm about
Oh,
to be
here
done.
comes Hunter! Let's all get ready to cheer for Hunter as he crosses.
Wait, did,
Woo!
He's not.
like second to last? Oh my god.
Give me like 45 seconds.
I helped build this thing.
Oh, I didn't hit the fireworks
Second
button.
to last.
I just noticed I didn't hit the fireworks button.
Hey.
We'll hit it at the end.
You gotta go over the line currently. Yay!
You're not second to last, Connor. You're the very
First
last.
place, River. Second place, me.
Yay.
Third place, Tom. Fourth place,
Oh wait, never mind. You're
Michelle.
already
Fifth
here. I'm
place,
stupid.
Dave. And then is it sixth place, Connor. Seventh place, Hunter. Eighth place, Curtis.